tractor are we in? Say it really loud. You don't want to? Is this Papa Tractor's tractor? Yeah. And where's Papa? Where's Papa Tractor? He's way up in heaven, isn't he? Yeah, Papa Tractor went up in heaven last August. 2 Augusts ago. August of 2015, didn't he? Yeah. Because he wanted us to use his tractor, I guess, huh? Is that right? So, we've got Papa Tractor's tractor. It is a Kubota 3940 with a BH92 backhoe and a front end loader. And we're just moving a little bit of snow at Grandma's, aren't we? Yeah, that's where we keep the tractor. And we're just having some fun. Are you having fun? You just woke up from a nap, so you're not the most chipper person in the world right now, are you? And it's the day after Christmas. Did you get all the presents you wanted? What was your favorite present? Cheeto balls, right? You got cheese balls. That was your favorite present of everything that you got. Your favorite was cheese balls. You're crazy silly. And what else? Oh, and your Mickey Mouse train? You like that too? In your car. Alright. What car did you get?
My track car.
Your track car. Oh, the one that's at home still?
Yeah.
From Santa Claus? Yeah, that was nice of Santa to bring you that, wasn't it? Yeah. Alright. Well,
We have one too.
we have what, two? We have a tractor in our house?
Yeah, and we have a car too.
Oh, and Burnley got a car too, your baby sister, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, well normally, Papa Tractor used to use a back blade when he plowed snow. Yeah, but we sold the back blade and all of the other attachments because we figured we'd be selling this tractor. But, we still haven't sold it. So, we're plowing snow with a front end loader with a backhoe on it, which is not the most efficient, but that's okay, we can take our time, right?
No, because
And what? Are you gonna say something? What are you gonna say? Look at that snow we're moving. Whoa! Oh, fun! Oh, fun! You having fun? Yeah. Well, tell the camera how fun you're having. Show them how much fun you have with a big smile. Can you give a big smile? No smile. All right. Well, it's nice and warm in here, isn't it? Is this better than plowing in the BX? Yeah. It's a little bit warmer, isn't it? And a little bit bigger. We can move more snow at one time. Sort of. Well, I'm having a good time. Should we give everybody a new angle to look at? Because they're probably sick of looking at this one. Alright. How about you give them a big smile first? Come on. Come on. That's all we're getting from you, huh? You think so?
yeah. Yeah, after that side.
Can.
Yeah, because
I think we'll move this snow here a little bit further. There we go. Should we scoop up a big scoop of snow?
look at the other side.
Whoa! Should we get some more and move it?
Yeah.
That was fun.
Time to find a way.
Well, we'll move this snowbank back. Ready?
Tractor. Yeah.
Wow, look at all that snow. tractor tracks.
Okay.
Are you having fun yet?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. This is fun. Look at how big this snowbank is. Wow. So we keep making it higher? Okay. Wow, look at that.
We need to keep our bloodlock for our camel.
Wait, what?
We need to keep our bloodlock for our camel.
Oh, it's nice and warm in here, isn't it?
Yeah.
The wind's blowing outside, but it's warm in the tractor. That's just great.
Well, we still need to keep our pictures on.
We do.
Because we're almost done. We're almost going to go inside.
Look at this snowbank moving. Wow. There we go. This is fun.
Maybe we're done.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're just starting to have fun. We got lots to do.
Yeah, because it's going outside. We got hard ones. Yeah, this one is a hard one.
That was a hard one to do. That one was a little frozen. We'll do it again. Look at that. Hey, we're having a good time, huh? Yeah. Alright, can you stand right here and hold on to that and Daddy will drive? Does that work for you? Okay. Let's see. Look at the camera. Tell the camera what we're doing.
We're plowing snow.
We're plowing snow. Whose tractor are we in?
Papa tractor.
Papa Tractor's tractor, right? That's right. So we are going to have some fun, aren't we? Well, let's see. Oh boy. Well, we're going to try a new position. There we go. What are you doing?
I'm watching a reel.
There we go. Whee! Don't fall out the door. Make sure we'll lock it. Alright.
That's why I won't fall out.
I don't want you to fall out. That would be pretty bad. Mama might be kind of mad. Oh, that's all about Brindley being sad. You're right.
We should got a seatbelt.
Oh, that's okay. There. Doing some back dragging. What a good guy. And I got you on camera now. Can I put you in the camera?
Yeah.
Now I can see us. Say hi, camera.
Hi, Grandma.
There you go. Now you're going to be famous. Can you make lots of smiles?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know how to smile? You remember how? Because you were kind of grumpy earlier. Were you grumpy earlier? Oh, look at that big smile. How come you were so grumpy?
Because I wanted to make a gingerbread house.
Oh, you just wanted to make a gingerbread house?
Yes.
And you couldn't, why? It's a little too early? You're making gingerbread houses?
Yeah, but after we go on a tractor, it's going to be dark when we don't go on a tractor and Pop Row. So first we're going to Pop Row, then make a gingerbread house.
Alright, we gotta plow snow and then make a gingerbread house.
Well, Mommy's setting it up so I can decorate it.
We get down to this concrete here.
Look, I see a track.
You do,
I see a track.
Boy, is it icy. It's icy, Brielle.
Yeah.
This bucket needs a cutting edge on it.
Yeah, and guess what?
Yeah, I could use a nice edge on it.
Guess what?
What?
I think my mommy's done setting it up.
You think your mommy's done what?
Setting my gingerbread house
Oh,
up.
you think she's setting it up?
Yeah, I think she's done. I think she's done.
So you want to go in the house now and see if your gingerbread house is ready to go?
Yeah.
How about this way till we're done? We're almost done.
Okay.
Okay. That'll be fun. Oh boy, this is a pretty nice tractor, isn't it? Don't you wish Daddy's tractor had a nice warm cab? I kind of wish it did. That would be nice.
But I wish we should bring the Kubota.
Snow, snow, snow. You having fun?
Yeah.
Are you?
I'm trying to pull my mitten up.
Trying to pull your mittens up.
Yeah, because it's trying to fall off.
Okay. You say so. You know what I think?
What?
I think you're crazy.
No, I think you're crazy.
I think you're crazy.
No, you're really crazy.
Mom
You
is
know who
crazy.
the crazy one?
Mom.
Yeah.
Mom's the crazy one. Not us. We're normal, huh?
Yeah.
Poor Mom. She's
Guess
gonna be
what?
crazy all
Who's
the
the
time.
crazy one again?
Auntie Molly.
No.
Auntie Megan. Grandma Mary. Brindley.
Yeah.
Brindley's crazy?
Yeah.
Oh no. I would have never guessed. I would have never guessed that.
And who the basically auntie crazy? Who the think of my auntie crazy?
Oh, your auntie's been crazy for a long time.
I know. Auntie Molly is the craziest one.
She sure is.
Yeah. She's the crazy.
Careful there, buddy. Come on tight.
I'm ready to eat my gingerbread house.
Alright, we'll let you out. Sound good?
Yeah, I'm bringing boxes.
Alright, everybody. Lost my little helper. She had to go back inside and make a gingerbread house. So, it's just you and me now. Yeah, I'm plowing snow in my dad's tractor. It's 3940 Kubota. I think it's a 2013 model, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe 2014. And Dad passed away in 2015. Now this must be a 2013 model. He had it for a couple of years. He put 660 hours on it. Well, maybe a little less than that, but I put a couple on it, plowing snow and driving it from here to there. But he loved this thing. He had a great old time. He did a lot of hauling trees out of the woods with it. My uncle had a little sawmill, so my dad would find some trees and he'd bring them out of the woods and get them sawed up into boards. So not only do we have this tractor for sale, we have a lot of lumber for sale. This tractor has the BH92 backhoe on it, which is a very, very powerful backhoe and very responsive. It has a multi-series valve, just like all the Kubota backhoes do. Does not have a thumb, but has the option for it. It's a good machine, and it's reasonably priced. We have it listed on YouTube and Craigslist, and I throw it on Facebook once in a while. We're asking $33,000 for it. It's well worth it. If you go on Tractor House, where most people go to find tractors, and if you find a Kubota of this particular size and model, you will likely pay $33,000 for a tractor like this without a backhoe. And the backhoe is really a $9,000 feature, brand new. So you're getting a slightly used tractor, 660 hours. It's got a lot of life left in it. This tractor will go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 hours. It all depends on how well you maintain it. So this tractor's young in its life right now. So $33,000 gets you a wonderful Kubota, which is in fantastic shape in my opinion, nice and clean. My dad had a 3240 before this Kubota, of course. Digging into the ground, and he worked that 3240 extremely hard. I mean that tractor took the abuse of anything that needed to be taken care of. He used that thing for. That tractor, I think he sold it with 1,200 hours on it. Learning how to drive here, guys. And that one was worked extremely hard, like I said, with and he pulled a lot of stumps with that one. That is the tractor that did the majority of the work that he needed done, as far as pulling stumps, as far as clearing some land. I wouldn't say he abused it, but he worked it extremely hard, and it held up. The only thing that ever broke on it was the bucket cylinder on his backhoe, because he had the, what is it, a BH72, I think, or BH74 series backhoe on that one, and he broke a couple bucket cylinders, but that was it. Put a hole in the grill, but other than that, it held up to everything that he could dish out at. this particular one, this 3940, this was his baby. He loved this one. And what he did, he plowed snow in this driveway. This is a very small driveway, as you can see, and he plowed snow for the neighbors and loved to move snow banks, and he did just exactly what I'm doing now. Like I said, it had a blade on it before. It doesn't any longer. That is a little more efficient than this heavy backhoe on the back, and I can certainly notice the difference when this backhoe is on. It is heavy duty. I'm just trying to scrape this driveway clear now. We had a lot of icy frozen rain, and it really made a mess. And now the wind's picking up, so I'm hoping that power lines don't start falling down tonight. That could be ugly. A lot of people without heat. Wouldn't be good. Probably about 20 degrees out, maybe. But anyway, it is what it is. It's Minnesota. If you don't like it, if you don't love it, leave it. I love it most of the time. Having fun. I love tractors, so right now I'm just having fun. Yeah, this driveway's probably fine right now, but I'm just playing along. Oh yeah. I tell you what, it is nice. It's a nice change. I have my VX25. And I don't get to work in a nice heated cab with that thing. That's what I can say, that has climate control. Whatever the climate is, that's what it is in the cab. But the cab that doesn't exist. So this is a treat. Yeah, my dad, he was quite a guy. He plowed out everybody in the neighborhood, and I kind of got that from him, because I do the same thing with my neighbors, take care of them, get a lot of snow, help out a neighbor. So one of his better qualities, no doubt about it. The man had a servant's heart. I just try to fill his shoes once in a while. Okay. Well, we're almost done. A little bit of snow left here. Summer I need to do a full service on this. Probably could use some new hydraulic oil and filter and an oil change and all of that. So I'll get to that this summertime. That's the plan. If it doesn't sell before then, hopefully it goes. Like I said, $33,000. It's a heck of a deal for anybody out there. Yeah. Contact me. YouTube, Facebook, whatever. so I don't want to risk it. This tractor has an extremely amazing transmission. It's got stall guard, it's got auto throttle, it's got the same transmission that Paul Shorts has on his 5740. It's a little smaller engine, that's all. And a few less mods. A lot less mods. Okay, well, we made it. I've got to lower the backhoe a little bit to get into the garage, otherwise I'll take the top of the door off. I'll get in here close enough first. Alrighty. Here we are. Okay. Beep, 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 beep. Wow. That's that. Oh, I suppose I can move the steering wheel up if I can. I remember how, let's see. Oh, there we go. Lever. Okay. This fancy seat even swivels. Oh, yeah, there we go. Look at that. Swivels to one side to get in and out easier. Good machine. For sale for anybody. What are you doing? You're making a gingerbread house? Is Mom doing all the work, or are you getting to have some fun too?
Brielle's telling me what to do. And she did the door,
Oh,
the
it looks
pattern.
And that one is
pretty
a
fancy.
worker.
What's the pattern on the top? Tell Daddy. What is
Green,
it?
yellow, red. Green, yellow, red. Green, yellow, red.
Oh, I get it. Can you say Merry Christmas, YouTube?
Can you say Merry Christmas to
Hey,
YouTube?
can you look at the camera and say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year? No, of course not. All right, can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Oh, okay.